We claim to be healthy. If someone says they have no ailment, it does not mean they are healthy. When you wake up in the morning, do you feel alive and bouncy or not? The word health comes from the word whole. You must have a certain sense of wholeness of body, mind, and energy, and the fundamental nature of your existence must be in alignment. When you wake up in the morning, you will feel like you've just been born. If this happens to you, that means you're healthy. One simple thing you all can do is just eat 40 to 50% of the food in its raw form, which means it's alive. It can be a vegetable, a fruit, a nut, or a sprouted grain. If you eat dead food, cooked food, and you want to live, it is a difficult thing to do because you have to raise the dead. Now, when you cook the food to digest it, all the ingredients necessary for digestion are not in your body alone. The food also contains enzymes. When you cook the food, you are largely destroying these enzymes. Digestion normally takes place within 1 to 2 hours after eating. Digestion tends to slow the body down. After that, slowly, your energy comes back up. The food is for energy, but we are making the food in such a way that it takes away energy. Your digestive process can never reconstitute all the enzymes that we have destroyed by cooking, only partly. If your digestive process is very strong, you can reconstitute about 40 to 50% of what has been destroyed. If yours is a weak kind of digestive process, it's much less. So if you're eating cooked food, 50 to 60% of the food that you're eating is generally going to waste. The body still has to process that, and the amount of energy that it spends and the amount of trauma that it goes through are very big. If you use the right kind of fuel and not the wrong kind of fuel, I think you will see a difference. I'm not telling you to eat this way, but just experiment. Tonight, don't eat cooked food, just eat fruits. Tomorrow morning, see if you need an alarm. You might be surprised to wake up before the alarm. You wake up instantly, you're bright and alert. People do not know what it means to be absolutely at ease within their bodies. 95% of people do not notice, unfortunately, because you put the wrong kind of fuel in your body. You can keep your body lively and alert. Simply put, you won't have to drag your body wherever you go, it will float ahead of you.